Hey, what's up, unboxing fans? This is your buddy, your pal, London Hawthorne. I'm here with yet another unboxing. This is a Vitamin Shop order from Ashland, Virginia, all the way to where I live in South Bend, Indiana. I've never been to Virginia, but that's pretty cool. I want to go one day. As always, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, and check out some of my other ones. If you want to cash at me at London Hawthorne, or if you like cool t-shirts, go to riptapparel.com or onceuponat.net. Find your shirt of choice, save a few dollars off each and every shirt, and I get a couple bucks in store credit. So this is a Bang energy drink, new to me flavor, candy apple crisp. I don't believe I've had this one, but when I do open it, I will be doing a taste test and review. I just got some root beer blaze that I'll be doing a taste test and review of. Candy apple crisp will be very, very shortly. I'm actually going to probably put this in the fridge so that way tomorrow I can have it. But yeah, what are some of your favorite flavors of energy drinks? It doesn't have to be Bang. I'm not sponsored by Bang, but I'd love to be. So let me know. I love sugar-free. That's my preference. I find that Bang energy drinks, they have some good supplements in it, like the super creatine, EAA aminos, and ultra CoQ10. Yeah, I like the flavors. What's your favorite flavor? Mine is lemon drop. My least favorite is Miami Cola. Yeah, so cash at me at London Hawthorne. Leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, notification bell, hit that, and yeah, go to riptapparel.com or onceuponat.net. Use my username London Hawthorne. Save some money off each and every shirt. I wish you the best, and drink these in moderation. They're delicious, I'm sure. I can't wait to try it. Hopefully tomorrow. Have a great day.